Calling all engines! Calling all engines! It's Thomas! He's the #1 blue engine. He's a cheeky little tank engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, and a whistle. Thomas works on his very own branch line with his 2 faithful coaches, Annie and Clarabelle. Sometimes he can be a little impatient, often getting himself into trouble. Oh, Thomas. But Thomas is always helpful and works very hard. That's why he's a really useful engine. Calling all engines! Calling all engines! It's Stafford! The electric shunting engine. Stafford runs on batteries. He can only travel short distances before he needs them recharged. Stafford spends most of his time working hard shunting in the yard. He doesn't make the same steamy noises as the steam engines. He's very quiet. Stafford is a hard-working engine with a great sense of humor. That's why he's a really useful engine. Calling all engines! Calling all engines! It's Luke! He's a very small engine, even for the narrow-gauge railway. When Luke first arrived on Sodor, he hid out of shame. But with Thomas's help, Luke learned the truth and was able to stop hiding. Now Luke works hard at the Blue Mountain Quarry with the rest of Mr. Percival's narrow-gauge engines. It may be rough, tough work at the quarry, but Luke is always kind and polite. That's why he's a really useful engine. Calling all engines! Calling all engines! It's Diesel! Diesel is very proud to be the first diesel engine to arrive on the island of Sodor. He believes that steam engines are no match for diesels. However, diesel is usually the cause for confusion and delay. He is oily, sneaky, and sometimes not to be trusted. That's why the other engines call him Devious Diesel. Given a chance, Diesel wants to do a good job and help out. That's why he's a really useful engine.